Welcome back to Simply Money. So, the question today is, why is achieving $100,000 so important? What does the special feat of $100,000 have to do with anything of me retiring? I want to show you a chart here in a minute, but let's go through some numbers on how the $100,000 is that first step to truly achieving financial freedom, to the road to $1 million. Mint is shut down. You need something else to use to stay on budget. I highly recommend Pocket Guard. Quick and easy, they've made it simple for you to transfer from Mint over to Pocket Guard. First, as you open up your app, you want to click down on the Accounts button at the bottom left, and then click on the plus arrow at the top right. They'll give you the option, and they've already made it super easy. Just click Move from Mint to Pocket Guard. Once you click that, you'll have the option to link external accounts or create manual accounts. If you're not ready to do that yet, and you just want to use the free version and manually input your information, you don't have to link any bank accounts, and you can skip that by hitting the next button. Then all you have to do is upload your Mint CSV. Now, if you're not sure how to do a Mint CSV, go to your Mint account. It'll show you on the far left how to download from Mint. You want to download into a CSV file. That'll be saved on your computer. Simply upload it here, and then once it's uploaded, hit save, and it'll bring everything to you. Simple and easy. Great way to get saving and make your way toward financial freedom. If you were to put $10,000 annually into your retirement or into your investment portfolio, and let's just say we're getting a 7% average return. Again, if you're getting good index funds, you should be getting well above 7%, but we're just going to go with 7% to be conservative. $10,000 a year at 7%. How long will it take you to achieve $1 million? Well, let's break it down into $100,000 increments and see how that compounding begins to take effect and the power of that first $100,000. So here it is. $100,000 would be achieved after 7.84 years. Seems like a long time. You're putting that money in every month through your 401k or into your Roth IRA. You're beginning to make that contribution on a regular basis, and you think, I'm never going to reach that 100K mark. It's going to take you just under 8 years to get there. But here's where the power of compounding begins to take effect. The second $100,000 to reach $200,000, now it's going to take you 5.1 years. Again, that's still a substantial amount of time of consistently investing. That's why we always talk about on this channel, the key to financial freedom is consistency, time, and continuing to make that investment. Small amounts over a long period of time, that's how you accumulate wealth. So you went from 7.84 years to achieve 100,000, but the next 100,000 came in just over 5 years. Now the third 100,000, you're looking at 3.78 years. Now you're looking at half the amount of time for the third 100K, half the amount of time that it took to get the first 100K. To me, that's great progress. To me, that's wow. That 100K seemed like it was going to take forever to get to. Now I've achieved it in half the time. It gets better. It continues to exponentially grow. The next 400K, the next marker, is going to take 2.5 years. Now let's pop up this chart. Let's see how it works. Take a look at that. 600K, now it takes you that 100K extra 2.14 years. Then 1.87, 1.49. And look at that. When you're at 900K to get to the million, that one more 100K, another 100K that took you almost 8 years to achieve, now takes 1.35 years. That's the power of compounding. That's the power of time. Especially to you younger audience, if you have the ability now, start investing small amounts, even if it's $50 a month, $100 a month, start. If you have a company match with your 401k, please get that. That is free money that your employer is offering you, that if you're 20, 25, 30 years old, you have years and years for not only your investment, but your employer's investment to compound for you to help you achieve that 100K first initial mark, and then watch the snowball effect begin as you accumulate wealth, as that money is rolling and rolling and compounding. And that final 100K takes just over a year to achieve. If you could now, if I said, if you could achieve 100K by investing $10,000 this year, next year you'd have 100K. Everybody would jump on that. But we don't think about it that way because the first 100,000 takes almost 8 years. But you have to go through that process to get to the latter process where every year you're achieving 100K. And it only gets better from there. If you're 25, you could have 40 years of doing this, not 30. And you begin to see 100K happening every few months. That's the power of compounding. I hope you enjoy these videos. I hope this visual helps you understand why it's so important to begin now, to be consistent and allow time to work for you and to achieve your financial freedom step by step. Go for that first 100K. I challenge you, if you're not there, make that your goal. Do everything you can to achieve 100K as the initial snowball impact to your financial freedom. We'll see you next time on Simply Money.